What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Finally, dug brown coat out after a month, and it's dirty, man. Look at it, it's super dirty. I ain't drove the joke in a month, man. For real, it really has been a month. I said it's crazy. The last time I drove brown coat was when I had my birthday cookout, which was the very first weekend in October. I have not drove this thing, man. I've been wanting to drive it, but when I put them up there at the top of the driveway, I be like, man, I be having to move so much just to get it out, so I kind of adjust accordingly. And I've been wanting to drive this and take it to the track, but I try to do one thing at a time, which I need to let this one eat. I need to let this one eat first, cause like I said, man, I gotta get it to the track. Then I want to get it to the track, cause I ain't took it in about a year. So I might do like I did last year. Last year I had this out the way, and I went and took this on the last event of the year. And see, I still need to put the nitrous on there. I gotta get the nitrous put on there, man. So I need to get a date set up with Jesse, so we can put the nitrous on and put the new box on. Got the tram brake on it, never used it. I said because I need the 2-step, we got to put the nitrous on there, which I got a Nitro Express mainline kit for it. And then we got to put the new 6014 MSD box on it, so you can run it with the laptop. Cause this one right here got the old box on it, where you just put the module chips in it and set your timing curve and stuff. So, you know. But I'm finna take this thing up for a spin, man. I need to I gotta blow everything out of it and off of it, man. So I'm finna go up the street, man, see what kind of thing. Y'all, the camera head card got full, man. I be recording so much and don't never delete the stuff, man. So the card all of a sudden to get full and to stop. But nah, man, we need to go take a drive to Mexico and stuff. And I need to see where everything at, where it's at. Y'all know we got the fresh transmission in it, brand new transmission. I ain't even drove it, cause DJ had just got finished with this thing right before the cookout. And I got so much going on. Nano, I got to get the intake switched on Nano, which that's getting done tomorrow. My bro Herb coming to knock that out. So we'll have a brand new intake on it. Then we're gonna have to test that one, cause that car, I'm showing y'all everything on that one. I'm not racing that car unless I know somebody else time and they want to just have some fun and the car they close together, then I do something. Oh Lord, boy, I'm about to go down. But other than that, I ain't racing the car. Only car I'm gonna race Grandma Nana against in the fleet is R&B, and that won't be at the track though. I'll probably just do something in Mexico just with my own stuff, just for a video and stuff. I probably do them, cause both of them got 14 and all that. Just have some fun, even though it's really ain't even. But yeah. So that's the plan, man. I gotta get that intake on, man. I'm trying to get crunch time, cause I've been wanting to run this thing, but at the same time, I like to run it, cause I have not ran the truck with a good transmission. All the times y'all saw, the few times y'all saw it at the track, that transmission was okay, but it wasn't like it's supposed to, cause it was going out of range on the shifts. Like, I don't have to take that joker that high. Truck need to go to the dyno. I ain't never had this one, never had the truck on dyno. I will be honest about that. I never had this on dyno, so I don't know. But I want to get the nitro hooked up first. before I get into all the other stuff. But anyway, man, we finna crank this thing up, man. Go to Mexico, see what it do. Make sure everything's still everything. And my tack done start working for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm gonna kind of have to play it by ear, man, like I used to do way back. Play it by ear and see what it do. Well, y'all, I done stopped. Man, I ran out of gas, man. I knew when I knew I shouldn't have left, man. I done ran out of gas, man. I'm finna see. I don't know, man. I can get down this big hill. I ain't even far from the house either. So, man, I'm finna see what I can come up with, man. My father-in-law gone and Kendra gone. But if I can hit this hill, boy, it'll be on. If I can turn this thing around and hit this hill, man, I'll be in there. So I'm finna see if I can make some jump shake, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in. So I made it to the gas station. Crazy interaction, man. It's good to have good people, man. I gotta tell y'all a story of how everything unfolded and all of that. Cause I was literally stuck, man. I was stuck on the hill. Like I said, the gas, I knew it too. I looked at the gas hand, but they don't float. I said, man, it probably all right. Cause usually it be showing low like that and it still had gas in it. So I thinking it would read wrong, but this time it wasn't. So I'm gonna give y'all the story on that, man. Y'all stay tuned into the vlog and stuff. Said met a good person. We chopping it up and all that. So I'm gonna holler at y'all about that at the end, man. But I got some gas. Then I just caught, man, like I said, I was just talking to some guys, man. They love the truck, man. They trying to get me out of it, but they ain't hit the right number. They ain't hit the right number, man. They try to get me out of it. I said, y'all too low. But we finna go see what to it. I filled it joker up, so I know we got some gas now. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we back, y'all. Back, man. That right there. There was a interesting turn of events. There was an interesting turn of event, man. Put this joker up. I'm finna cover old brown coat up. It's hitting better than it was. It hitting better than it was, man. Like I said, that transmission. I got to shout out Showtime DJ over at Showtime Transmission Rebuild. I got to shout him out, man, cause he did a jam up job again, man. That's the best. I think that's I could be wrong now. I could be wrong, y'all. But if I remember right, I'm usually good with remembering my times. Cause you know, when you lay down one of them numbers, you ain't never laid down before. You remember that, and that's the best. That's the fastest that truck done went. That's the fastest that truck done went, man. In the road, I should say. Like I said, and y'all know, said once again, I don't condone street racing and all that. I don't condone it. That's why I don't do it. Y'all know I did it back in the day. That's how I started. But y'all know testing and stuff, man. I go down the road and test now. I got to, cause sometimes you can't get to the track. I'm trying to find a good spot. My bad. You can't get to the track, man. So I go down there and test and all of that. Whew, mean glare. I can't find a good spot. So that's what it is. But let me tell y'all what happened, man. I gotta tell y'all what happened. Like I said, it ended up being a good vlog. Cause like I said, what happened. So y'all know I'm heading out. I see this truck. I look at the gas hand. I said, man, I said brown coat be showing slow sometime, but it don't. Then I get to the gas station and put the gas in. That joker take $15 of gas and it full. So I was like, man, I'm thinking it one of them time. When I start going uphill, you know, all the gas pulling back, and I start going uphill, I'm like, I heard the fuel pump change tune. Cause you know, you can tell the fuel pump gonna tell you I heard it change. I said, oh man, finna run out of gas. I already knew it then. That joker cut off on an incline. I'm like, God. I'm like, man. Wifey gone to pick the kids up from school. My father-in-law had just took off. I like, man, I ain't got nobody. I got some people to call, but they had to come from a good little way. I said, man, I'm trying to figure this out. Worst case scenario, I wasn't even a mile from the house. even a mile from the house, man. I was like, I could walk back, and that's what I would do. I could walk back, then I would drove one of the car back up there to put the gas in it, and some way or another, I would have went back and got it later when wife got here. I would have just walked back up there and got some exercise. Y'all know I lift weights and stuff, I exercise, so I'm active. I mean, it would have been a light walk, but so guy come by in the truck, look, he turned around and come back, and I got to shout out Will, man. You know, actually one of the neighbors in the area, man. You know, good to meet your neighbors and know your neighbors and stuff. So I got to shout out Will, man. He actually a senior. He a senior, and he's still in school and stuff, man. He's senior and stuff. So I got to shout him out, man. All I can say, he stopped and checked on me, and asked if I needed help or anything. So I asked him would he run me down the road, since he said he stay in the area. Ran me to my house. I got the racing gas. We pulled back up at the truck, man. He held the funnel for me, and we pulled the gas in there, fired brown coat back up. Got to the gas station, man, and stuff. So, like I said, it's good to have good people out there, man. You know, I tried to give him a little something. He was like, he didn't want to take it. He real respectful too, man. He was super respectful. So whoever his parents is, shout out to his parents. Hey, his whole village, you know, they say it take a village to raise him. I mean, grandparents, whoever involved in his life, shout out to him. Shout out to them, man, cause they did a good job raising him, man. He real respectful and stuff and all that. And you know, like I said, he see this. I gave him my social media and stuff. So, you know, if he see the video, I appreciate you again, Will. Shout out to Will, man. Like, good people. They're what we need, like that. Good people in this world. And like I said, I tried to give him some. They're paying for a time, you know, just shoot him a little something to show I appreciate it. And all he said was he just did what he would want somebody to do for him, man. And that's what it's about. Y'all know I'm big on that. Like, you see somebody in need of help, man, help them, man, especially if you have time. It's different if you don't have time. You just got an obligation. Your heart might be in the right spot, but you might not be able to just stop at that moment. I've been in situations like that where I had somewhere to be, and I'm like, man, I like to stop and help somebody. But you know, I done help people change tire before, taking where they need to go, this and that. And you know, everybody out there ain't bad. I'm gonna say that, cause you know, we're in a crazy time right now. We're in a crazy time, and you know, people are crazy, but you know, everybody not bad. Everybody not bad. If God weigh it on your heart to stop and help somebody, man, they probably a good person. If you got that feeling, 9 times out of 10, they're a good person and stuff. So, like I said, I want to shout him out, man, cause I really appreciate that. You know, and y'all know how I get down there. Watch me, y'all know I'm real helpful. I'm constantly giving to people. They're what I'm about. I'm about helping people and stuff, man. And y'all know that with my heart, man. That's how my heart set up and all that. So I really appreciate that, man. So I told him too. I said, man, I'll take you for a ride in one of these cars and stuff, this and that. So maybe in the near future, man, y'all see him on the channel. You know what I'm saying, and see who helped me and stuff, and then get some entertainment, take him for a ride. Call. I'm pretty sure he ain't rode in nothing like none of these, man. I'm pretty positive. But like I said, it turned out to be a good day, man. I'm glad that happened. I would have caught it on camera for y'all, but y'all know the thing with me, I have a lot of interactions on the vlog channel. I have a lot of interaction when I'm out here in the car, but I don't have a camera person that with me all the time, and I don't just stick the camera in people's face, cause some people don't mind it. Some people be a little nervous about getting on camera. So when I'm having these interactions, I don't just turn the camera on. A lot of time y'all miss it. Like when I got to the gas station, in Brown Coat, man. Like I said, I had some good interaction with them guys, man. They were talking about the truck and all that, and how he wanted one of the blades and stuff. You know, I be wanting to catch that stuff, y'all, but you gotta respect people. And like I said, I don't just stick a camera in people's face. So, but I'm gonna start catching more stuff, y'all, man. But it was good to pull a Brown Coat out. I know this ain't the most action-packed vlog, but it's a good vlog cause of what happened, and me telling y'all what happened, and y'all, you know, taking it in and stuff. Cause y'all know I love real talk, man. I like these cars and stuff, the entertainment. I like to give y'all action and all of that, but I like to give y'all some value too. Too much BS on the internet already, you know what I'm saying? So I know some people get on just, hey, they want to sit back, kick their feet up, and they want to look at the BS. They want to see, which I don't. Like if I was on here arguing and every time I turn around I'm beefing with somebody about these cars or racing or something, man, I know it'll be thousands of views daily. Versus sometimes I know when one of my videos gonna peak, cause I know what people want to see. People knows it. Meaning they be wanting to see, know what's under my hood, or if I'm gonna reveal what kind of engine I got or size, or if I'm gonna reveal my ET, you got people around the way that all want to know that, so they gonna click on that. If I buy anything new, a new whip, people gonna click on that, of course. If I got into it with somebody racing wise, people gonna click on that. But I'd rather give people value too, man. All this stuff cool, and everything, but I gotta get to you more than that, man. So. Yeah, I'm about to cover brown coat up. Man, I drove that joker, boy. I said it went that fast. I'm ready to take it to the track for real now. Look at that butterfly. It's a pretty butterfly, man. But anyway, yeah, I'm ready to take that thing, take it to the track, man. Y'all know what we need to do. I ain't never did. I need to put the slicks on that joker and make a tear run, man. We ain't never did that. I done tested these car every kind of way, but I gotta get wifey. I had to get wifey get on it so we can get on the outside. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm back with another one, checking in with me again. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.